Hi, this is Rozani. Let's have some fun making some paper pulp. And I'm using this for my papier mâché projects, but also good for other types of projects. You can use all types of paper, and here I'm starting with some leftover copier paper and paper from bills and statements. And I'm just pressing it into these little caps. You'll also need something with a pointed tip, like a fork, a metal fork or a plastic fork, or perhaps some bamboo skewers or even chopsticks. The main thing is to separate those fibers by piercing them. Now, it doesn't have to dissolve completely, but you want to make a nice bit of pulp, enough so that it could be pressed into these little caps. Experiment with different types of paper, everything from paper napkins to crepe paper, gift wrapping, tissue paper, etc. And remember, it's all about having fun with it. Once they're dry, they're easy to remove, like this. And there we have it. Some wonderful, colorful paper pulp discs, ready to use on different types of projects. Please let me know if you have any questions about this video in the comments below. Meanwhile, I thank you so much for being here with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.